Welcome to Exciting Machines. Today, we're diving into the future of transportation with the incredible Volonaut Airbike, a real flying bike that's changing how we think about personal mobility. This game-changing invention combines the freedom of a bicycle with the thrill of flight, offering a glimpse into a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past. From powerful rotors to lightweight design, the Volonaut Airbike is more than just cool, it's a breakthrough. So buckle up as we explore one of the most exciting inventions that could truly change the world. Let's get started. Number 1. Pulsar Fusion Sunbird. The Pulsar Fusion Sunbird is an innovative hybrid rocket engine developed by the UK-based company Pulsar Fusion, representing a bold leap in sustainable space propulsion technology. Unlike traditional chemical rockets that rely entirely on combustion, the Sunbird is a hybrid rocket engine, meaning it uses a solid fuel in combination with a liquid oxidizer. What makes Sunbird particularly exciting is its environmentally conscious design, as it emits relatively low levels of pollutants compared to conventional propulsion systems. Pulsar Fusion aims to create propulsion systems that are not only powerful and efficient, but also cleaner, addressing growing concerns over the environmental impact of space exploration. The Sunbird engine was successfully tested in Switzerland, where it demonstrated a remarkable ability to generate thrust at high altitudes, marking a significant step forward for the UK's presence in the private space sector. Moreover, Pulsar Fusion has plans to use this technology as a stepping stone toward even more advanced propulsion systems, including nuclear fusion rockets, which could drastically reduce travel time to distant planets like Mars. The Sunbird's success underlines the potential of combining green technology with aerospace innovation. It also reflects a broader shift in the industry toward reusable, sustainable, and highly efficient engines that can support both commercial and scientific missions. With companies like Pulsar Fusion pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the future of space travel is becoming not only more feasible, but also more aligned with a global push for sustainability and technological excellence. Number 2. Exomotion. Exomotion is an advanced robotic exoskeleton designed to transform mobility for individuals with lower limb disabilities, offering them the ability to walk, stand, climb stairs, and perform other natural movements without the need for crutches. Developed with cutting-edge self-balancing technology, Exomotion distinguishes itself from traditional exoskeletons by allowing users to move hands-free. This freedom is made possible through a network of intelligent sensors and actuators that analyze the user's movements in real time, adjusting balance and posture automatically. Exomotion is designed not just as a rehabilitation device, but as a daily mobility solution that restores dignity, independence, and quality of life to people with conditions like spinal cord injuries, strokes, or neurodegenerative diseases. What sets it apart is its human-centered approach, created in collaboration with real users who provided direct input into its design. The result is a sleek, user-friendly system that doesn't just help people walk, but empowers them to live more actively and independently. Its ergonomic structure and intuitive controls make it easy to use, while its durable construction ensures it can support users in a wide variety of everyday situations. With its ability to mimic the natural gait and respond instantly to the user's needs, Exomotion represents a significant leap in assistive robotics. It is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of hope for millions who dream of regaining mobility. Exomotion embodies the future of wearable technology, one that is smart, responsive, and built to change lives. Number 3. Flashbot Arm. The Flashbot Arm is a revolutionary robotic arm designed to assist individuals with mobility challenges by providing them with enhanced independence in their daily activities. Engineered with precision and powered by advanced AI, the Flashbot Arm can be mounted on a wheelchair or other mobility device, allowing users to perform a variety of tasks such as picking up objects, opening doors, using utensils, and even operating electronic devices with ease. Its compact and lightweight design ensures that it does not interfere with the user's movement while delivering high functionality. The arm features a multi-joint structure that mimics the flexibility and range of motion of a human arm, making its movements natural and intuitive. through voice commands, touchscreen interfaces, or even head or eye tracking systems. Users can control the arm with minimal effort. This makes it especially helpful for individuals with limited upper body strength or dexterity. The Flashbot Arm operates with precision grip control and adaptive pressure, which means it can handle fragile items like a glass of water or delicate electronics without causing damage. Its versatility and ease of integration into daily life have made it a game changer in assistive technology. Whether used at home, in the workplace, or in public spaces, the Flashbot Arm empowers users to live more independently and confidently. It's not just a tool, it's an extension of the person using it, designed to enhance freedom, self-reliance, and dignity through cutting-edge innovation and thoughtful engineering. Number 4. Cycllo Cable. The Cycllo Cable is a unique and innovative bicycle lift designed to help cyclists easily ascend steep hills without exerting much effort. Originally developed in Norway, it is installed along a sloped street and works by gently pushing riders uphill using a footplate system. Cyclists simply position their right foot on a small platform that emerges from the ground, while keeping their left foot on the pedal. Once activated, the lift pushes them smoothly up the incline at a comfortable and steady speed. The Cycllo Cable is designed to be simple and safe for all users, including those on bicycles, scooters, and even people pushing strollers. It can carry multiple users at once, making it both practical and efficient for urban environments with challenging terrain. The system is built into the edge of the road, flush with the surface, so it does not obstruct pedestrians or other vehicles when not in use. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cycllo Cable is how it promotes sustainable transportation by making cycling more accessible in hilly cities. Instead of avoiding bike travel due to difficult climbs, riders are encouraged to use bicycles more frequently. The system runs on electric power and is nearly silent, making it an environmentally friendly and low-impact addition to public infrastructure. Overall, the Cycllo Cable is a clever solution that combines simplicity, functionality, and sustainability to enhance urban mobility and make cities more bike-friendly. Number 5. Regent Viceroy Sea Glider. The Regent Viceroy Sea Glider is a cutting-edge transportation vehicle designed to revolutionize coastal travel by combining the features of an aircraft and a boat. This all-electric sea glider operates using a unique wing-in-ground effect, which allows it to glide just above the water's surface at high speeds, providing a smooth, fast, and efficient mode of transport. Designed to carry up to 12 passengers, the Viceroy Sea Glider offers a quiet, emission-free alternative to traditional ferries and short-haul aircraft, making it ideal for routes between coastal cities and islands. It begins its journey like a boat, floating and maneuvering out of the harbor. Once it reaches open water, it takes off and flies just a few meters above the surface, significantly reducing drag and increasing energy efficiency. What makes the Viceroy Sea Glider especially appealing is its combination of comfort, speed, and sustainability. It can reach speeds of up to 180 miles per hour while providing a smooth ride thanks to its proximity to the water, avoiding the turbulence experienced in traditional aircraft. With its all-electric propulsion system, it produces zero emissions, aligning with global efforts to reduce environmental impact from transportation. The cabin is designed for passenger comfort, offering scenic views and a quiet atmosphere. The Viceroy Sea Glider is poised to transform regional travel, particularly in areas where bridges, roads, or airports are limited or congested. With its futuristic design and environmentally friendly technology, it represents the next evolution in clean coastal mobility. The Volonaut Airbike is more than just an eye-catching invention. It's a bold step toward the future of personal flight and sustainable transportation. As we continue to see breakthroughs like this, it's clear that the line between science fiction and reality is disappearing fast. If you enjoyed discovering this amazing flying bike and want to see more mind-blowing machines that are changing the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more cutting-edge tech, wild inventions, and futuristic vehicles coming your way. Until next time, keep dreaming big and exploring the machines that shape our tomorrow.